What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, Bullets Garage. Finally, it is a nice sunny day. I could show you how the paint came out on the GSF after it was single step paint corrected. Later that night, I applied the Adams Polishes ceramic coating, waited 24 hours, applied the ceramic boost, and here it is, the finished product. It's nice and sunny. Let me bring you in close to the paint, show you how much of the swirls they got rid of, how great it looks. The paint looks so much deeper and wetter. It just, camera won't do it justice. Take my word for it. It looks 100 times better. Enjoy the finished product. So this is inside the garage, the hood. If you follow the light, I mean, we are basically swirl free here. That metallic crystal flake is amazing. Let me give you guys an example of my paint, which has been corrected, versus an employee's car. She got this about 7 months ago, last winter. So let me show you the paint on her car. It's not very bad, actually. I don't think she takes it to car washes. She does it by hand. And on the white car, it's hard to see the swirls. Her paint looks actually pretty decent. And then we'll walk over to the GSF here. The clarity on the GSF is just so much better.